Good evening, YTPC. Austrian Piper here. This will be just a little test, since I have a new recording solution. For now, a semi-recording solution. I'm still working on it. To that topic a little bit later. I'm smoking my little Lord pipe. Don't know if camera will focus on it or not. There we go. Nice little pipe. And in it I'm smoking some Borkum Riff Admiral's Flake. Yeah, here we go. Don't have much left of it, sadly. Now for a relight. It would help if I tamp it beforehand. I recently made 2 little tampers. Just with boredom. Didn't know what to do, so I thought might reuse some wood I have laying around in the garage. Let me show them to you. That's the first one I tried. A little bit smaller, but still rather nice. The end to damp and a little spoon area. And that's the second one. Try a little bit more, something a little bit different. The edges here are nice and sharp. The wood turned out really nice, dark brown. I didn't use any oil or anything else on it, just sanded it down with some sandpaper, and the coloring is from the natural oils of the hand. And drinking, don't know if you can see it, in a little glass, Laphroaig glass, some Mexican beverage, tequila. This glass has a really nice slogan on it. Laphroaig. Tastes like heaven, smells like hell. Just love this slogan. Anyway, like I said, this will be just a little test, since I'm trying a new recording solution. I'm not finished. I'm still missing one part of it. I don't know if you can see it on my shirt. I'll try to take it off. I'm using, I bought a lavalier mic. The only problem with it is I'm missing one vital piece so that I could use it on my camera, which is an adapter. Thomas didn't do his research properly. So I'm currently using my old iPhone, which has still an audio jack, so that I can at least try it out and record this video and sync it in post-production. Shouldn't be too much of a problem, at least I hope so. Luckily I still had my old iPhone, since the new ones, in my case 8 Plus, doesn't have audio jacks anymore. Well, the 7 didn't have one as well. Not too fond of it, to be honest. I hope the quality is somewhat decent. Let me know down in the comments what you think about it. I'll try to change it a little bit. Filtering out the noise if noise is present. Adjust the volume so you don't have to crank up your speakers or your headphones or turn them down. It's nice and balanced, everything. Pretty much the same I did for the last few videos as well, where I filtered everything out with Adobe Premiere. Once I'm finished with this pipe, I'll probably load up my church one with some nightcap, the last remains of it. And I will follow an advice from George Bruno, Gray Bailey. Downloaded the Haunted Bookshop ebook. I will dim the lights. Instead of the tequila, I will probably be drinking. God damn it! I will probably be drinking some Laphroaig Loire or some Johnnie Walker Double Black. Artback would be also a possibility. I will stay with my favorite, Laphroaig. His advice was, download the book or get it in any way you can. Sit down, relax, smoke a pipe, and it will completely change the experience. Since I want to start reading a little bit more, I was kinda always a rather lazy person, didn't read much. Or if I was reading something, it was mangas or some blog posts, but books not so much. Big mistake probably. I'm sitting here in my room, not outside, because it's way too cold and way too windy, and I have a little problem. My big lighters, or my butane lighters, except torches, don't work really well. Common problem, not just because of the wind, but also because the butane gets too cold, which means the gas becomes a liquid again, and so they don't work anymore. I will get my Zippo insert probably around Christmas, and some fluid. I have a Zippo lying around, but no gas. Try to pick up one on Saturday, a little can, so I can at least use the normal Zippo lighter until I get a pipe lighter. Looked at the old boy style as well, or other pipe lighter systems, but it still don't solve my problem, which is the wind and the cold weather outside. And of course the matches aren't a solution. I could go inside, light my pipe, go outside, if it goes out, go back inside, relight it, but that's just a hassle, and I want to sit down, relax, and don't care about anything. Just wanted to do a little video. Ended up to be a little bit longer than I wanted to. Sorry about that. I hope everybody has a great day, a great weekend. See you next time. Bye.